Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have a couple more accessories here from AOSK. One is actually for emergency use. The other is for aesthetic, where your door hinges at. We'll start with the emergency accessory here. And this purpose of this red tube or pen looking device is actually a glass breaker and also a seatbelt cutter. So if you're in a Tesla and let's say your powers are out, your battery pack is impacted or damaged for whatever reason, your 12-volt battery died, you can use the manual lever to open the door. But let's say you get into an accident and the door has an object pressing on it, or due to the collision, you can't open the door even manually. You only have an option to get through the window, and you want to have something to be able to break these windows if you need to, including the glass roof, because in an impact it might not shatter. So to protect yourself from trying to break it with your fist or whatnot, getting one of this will help with that situation. So let me show you. And this is made of high quality. It's a aluminum casing, and you press this against the actual glass itself, and a metal plug will shoot out, cracking the window and shattering it. Okay, it also has this nice little mount with 3M VHB where you can mount it on your dash or somewhere where it's more visible, down here next to your phone mount or your phone wireless charger. Let me show you the seatbelt cutter, and this is a razor sharp seatbelt cutter. So you put the seatbelt right in between in case if your seatbelt is stuck and you can't unbuckle it. This will come in handy. So highly recommend considering this as a safety device to be able to crack your window and cut your seatbelt, or even in the situation where you're trying to help someone else, it might come in handy. Okay, I'll post a link where you can find that. We also have these aluminum covering, and this is for aesthetic only. So in a Tesla vehicle, you have these hideous hinge that sticks out. So if you want to hide these bolts, you can get one of these set and just put it on just like that. The key here is just to clean this off really well. So I have some 70% alcohol. Just want to spray this on here real good and just clean it off. Just the metal piece. And then it's going to go on just like that. Just give that nice aesthetic look so you don't actually see any bolts. Again, link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.